What's up, y'all? It's your girl Anna Kate, and today I'll be showing you guys my summer morning skincare routine. So if you would like to see what I do to my face every morning, keep watching. The first thing I do is take my white rag and put it under super hot water, and then I just wash my face to get off all the dirt. Next, I take my Family Dollar Blackhead clearing scrub and I rub it all over my face in circular motions with my fingertips. I also take my Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste and put that on my lips to get rid of any dead skin cells. After applying the toothpaste to my lips, I let all of this sit on my face for 10 minutes. When the 10 minutes are over, I then take my white rag again and I put super hot water on it, and now I'm just going to take off the toothpaste and my face mask. Now that my face has nothing on it, I splash cold water on my skin to close up my pores. To dry my face, I just take a clean, dry hand towel or rag and I just dab my face. Now that my face is dry, I just take my raw African shea butter and I just put it on my lips and on my skin. That's all I do for my summer morning skincare routine. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
When I'm around, they mute, cause they know this tongue a pistol. I ain't scared to make it shoot.